Hello, good evening. How can I help you today?
Hello. Well, there's another AI agent in town, and some say it's even more powerful than OpenClaw. Well, I'm going to be setting up this agent today, and stay tuned. If you want to see this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and this is Jay Techie. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, the AI agent that I'm going to be setting up today is called Hermes Agent, and it's made by Nos, and that's a company that went ahead and open sourced their internal AI agent, and they say it actually is even smoother than OpenClaw. So I'm on the screen here today where this is the main website for the desktop agent, and so let me go ahead and just go over some of the things that I see on here. It says the agent that grows with you, and I have a Mac. I'm gonna go ahead and download it on the Mac, but let's just take a quick look at some of the things on the website. And it's completely open source, MIT license, and it says that it lives everywhere. You can put it on Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, email, CLI, and a growing list of platforms. One agent, one memory, every surface. Says persistent memory. It learns your project's auto-generated skills and never forgets how it solved a problem. And it says focused automation, natural language scheduling for reports, backups, and briefings, running unattended through the gateway, focused every time. And it says other things like task multiplied, browse the web, isolated, sandboxing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this desktop application. Alright, so I have hit the download button and it has downloaded to my machine, and my machine is macOS. And so I went ahead and opened the installation, and now it has been going through it and it's taking some time to load. So I'm gonna get with you guys once this is done loading and installing, and so I'll be right back. Alright, so I have installed Hermes, and it has taken me to this desktop application here where I can do a new session for a new chat, and I've been playing around with it a little bit, and so I'm going to ask it to go ahead and make a guide for me and put it on my desktop about how to set up Hermes, and I'm going to go ahead and craft out prompt, and I'll be right back. Also, I wanted to mention there was an error during installation, but I was able to ask ChatGPT to help me with it. It was a permissions error, and ChatGPT actually helped me to write the correct command to unbreak the installation of Hermes Agent Desktop App, which was very nice. Alright, I'll be right back with that prompt. Alright, I'm back. So I'm going to say, Astra, create a small personalized Hermes starter guide on my desktop. By the way, I asked the AI to go ahead and name itself, and it named itself Astra, and also I'm using the codex from my ChatGPT subscription, and it gives you a code that you can go ahead and enter into your your verification screen, and then you can use your authorization from your ChatGPT account to be able to use the Codex agent inside Hermes. Anyone with a Plus subscription can do that. I'm going to go ahead and enter this prompt, and let's see what it comes up with.